You use Google to search, but that's just the surface. These 5 hidden Google tools will make you smarter, faster, and way more productive whether you're a student or a developer. 1. Google Scholar. No more fake sources. Access real academic papers, journals, and citations. Great for college research, coding docs, or medical studies all in one click. 2. Google Arts and Culture. More than a museum, it's a knowledge playground. Explore history, science, space, music, and culture through 3D models, games, and virtual tours. 3. Google Keep plus Google Tasks. Your brain forgets. These tools don't capture ideas, reminders, to-dos, and links synced across all devices. Perfect for students juggling school, content creation, and side projects. 4. Google Colab. Run Python code with AI power, no installation needed. Used by data scientists, ML learners, and coders to build and test models directly in the browser. 5. Google Dataset Search. Need real data. Find public datasets from around the world. Perfect for research, AI training, or building your next big idea. You just unlocked secret Google power. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Akram Tech, where smart tools meet real progress. Now go learn smarter, not harder.